Hello and welcome. Here is the top story this week. Massive explosions in China's northern city of Tianjin have killed approximately 50 people, including at least 12 firefighters, with many still missing and hundreds injured. The explosions began at around 23:30 local time at an industrial zone which contained car factories, air assembly lines and so on. Firefighters were already at the scene around 15 to 20 minutes beforehand as containers were on fire in the area. The first blast was followed only seconds later by another, and then smaller explosions began, throwing fireballs into the air. Windows were blown out, many buildings destroyed, and thousands of cars melted and burnt out with the heat. Let's watch some footage of the incident.
Whoa! Holy shit! Fuck yeah, I'm videoing it. What the fuck?
I think that might be a gas station or something.
Fuck yeah, it's a gas. Whoa! Oh! What the? Holy shit! No fucking way! Oh shit! Oh shit! No, baby! Oh no!
Nice. Are we dangerous here?
Yeah, we're dangerous. Oh my god! Oh dear!
Are you filming?
Yes, I'm filming!
Whoa! Whoa! I think we are dangerous.
Let's go! Let's go down!
Chinese media reports speculate that the explosions occurred as a shipment of explosives detonated in a warehouse whose company specialised in handling dangerous and toxic chemicals. Therefore, the fear of pollution and breathing in toxic fumes is becoming increasingly worrying to the local people. The cause of this incident is not officially known, but investigations are being made. I'm Luke Galvin, and it's goodbye from me. Have a good weekend.